Welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. I'm your host Harshda. Get ready to start on exciting learning adventures with us. In today's episode, we are diving into an incredible journey of discovery. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hello, awesome learners. Welcome back to Learning Fun Zone, where creativity meets fun. Today, we have something special in store for you. Are you ready to create a beautiful surprise for your amazing teachers? Let's get started. Today, we're going to explore a fantastic project called Teachers' Day Greeting Card. It's all about showing your love and appreciation to your wonderful teachers. In this project, we will design a magical greeting card for our teachers. We'll use Scratch to make it extra special. Inside of a greeting card, we have heartfelt messages, fun animations, and even more surprises, like giving a big thank you in a creative way. Our challenge today is to code this greeting card and make it come to life. We can add colors, music, and messages that will make our teachers feel super special. I'm on the Scratch mit.edu website and let us click on Create to start a new project. So let us add some sprites for greeting card. So over here I have downloaded few images from Canva. So this is one sprite. This is a royalty free image I have taken, edited it on Canva. So let us delete the default sprite also, and I will add here one more costume. So these are the two costumes. of the greeting card. Okay, so let's get started. We can also add default sprites from here. So we can add something interesting like heart face, and let us keep it over here. Okay, now let's get started with the coding part. So I will click on events when green flag is clicked. We want to begin with the first costume, that is of the closed envelope. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, let us go to which costume to close, and we will add show. Alright, so whenever we start, it will first show the closed costume. Now let us go to events and add when this sprite is clicked. So whenever we click this sprite, we want it to open the envelope and show the next costume, next greeting card. And we want to play some sound as well, so we can start some sound. So here also you can add any music of your choice. I have already downloaded few royalty free music, so I will just choose one of them. Let's say this one. And then we will change the costume to the next one. And we will also add the broadcast message. We will add the broadcast message. Opened greeting card. Perfect. So it is opening. Now let us add some creativity and some creative code for this heart. So when green flag is clicked, we want this to be here. Go to motion and let us add to this position. And we will just hide it first. Initially we don't want it to be shown. And let us go to events. And when we open the greeting card, the broadcast message is sent to all the available sprites, right? So when we receive this message, we will go to this particular position. Just add go to and go to looks and add go to front layer and show. Let us go to control and add a forever. And we will add some color effect. Something nice. Let's change the color effect by 25 and .25. Try to run this now. Wow, this is looking so good. Awesome, isn't it? You can share this link to your teachers and wish them happy Teachers Day. So, are you excited to create your own greeting card now? Just click in the description to start crafting your own masterpiece. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Learning Fun Zone. And hit the bell icon so you never miss our creative adventures. Let's make our Teachers Day memorable. Thank you for joining us today, learners. Remember, learning is fun, and especially when it is filled with creativity and appreciation. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep celebrating our amazing teachers. Bye for now.